What's up, guys? Hold on. I don't know if it's recording, but we're gonna go ahead and. Sorry, guys. I had to do something real quick. I don't know if that cut off, if, if the sound cut off mid video or not. Hopefully it did. Because I'm not trying to ruin this video today. I've already ruined a couple others. See, TikTok just crazy. I am not getting on that app for the rest of the video. Unless map takes forever to load. We're gonna spin around. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger. I got my eyes covered. By the toe. If it hollers, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Where'd it go? No horror maps? Okay. This map's gonna take ages to load. This is gonna take so long. Okay, so the map's taking forever to load. Um, we're just gonna have to wait it out. I can't do nothing about it. You're gonna have to, I know I'm probably gonna sound rude. I'm not trying to, but you gonna have to, like, for real, you gonna have to skip or not. Yeah, just skip. I wish I learned to do that earlier. I hate this map, bro. Little houses. There's gas stations. And the exception of one house, but this map's just so bland. And my game will crash. Oh no, it didn't. I thought we were gonna have that situation again. Go! Ah, yes, the microwave TV. We're gonna land at the gas station. So, where's the rooftop? Open up. This is a robbery. Open up the goddamn chest. Should have thought about that before I did. Wait. Let's do some stupid stuff. Okay, so the whole gas station, let's clean it up. I done forgot how to clean things up. Utilities. Clean up. Clean up everything. Well, that doesn't work for this build. Now, G disasters. We're not doing that. What we're gonna be on. Well, I thought we were gonna live nuclear strikes, but no, not today. Well, not today. I wonder if you could put stuff in this. You can't. It's getting real laggy. Yeah, we're good. That's the limit. So now we're gonna stand from afar. Oh no, we're not. We're just gonna spawn them in. We can't do that. Cameras on here. How do you do cameras? Now, how do you weld stuff? I'm kind of new to this game. I've been playing it for like a couple of weeks. And I'm losing probes. Well, that sucks. Tools. Hold on, I know what to do. Just in case that. Hold on. Just. Maybe there's a still him down in there. Nope, there's not. So we're just gonna have to continue. Sorry for the brightness. What the heck is that noise? There she is. I don't understand how I found her so quick. I'm just gonna leave her here. Now, we're gonna spawn a tornado. Just for it to spawn a mile away from us. I'm tired of that cartoon playing when nobody's up in here. I'm gonna end this video off. Thank you for watching. And we're just gonna. How many of these things did I spawn? We're gonna run from Freddy Fazbear. I'm gonna run from schizophrenia. I'm gonna run from schizophrenia. Maybe it's not that smart. This thing's terrifying. I'm gonna run from the same. I can hear him. Guys, I think he's coming. Oh my god. Oh my god, I think that's a warning. I
The National Weather Service of Dallas-Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for the western and central Texas area. National Weather Service
You don't
Doppler radar
understand
indicated a
how
severe
far I
thunderstorm
lifted out
capable of
my chair.
producing a
When I tell
tornado.
you I lifted out my
The
chair.
storm is located 8 miles west of Midland County,
Ah,
moving east at 60
I
miles
hate
per
my
hour.
pelvis is
If in
broken.
mobile homes or vehicles,
I
evacuate
lifted
and
out of
seek
that chair.
shelter now. If no shelter
Oh
is
my heart.
available, lie flat in the nearest ditch.
Ah. Oh my god. Well, I think I'm gonna end this off with a thank you for watching. Uh, I pray that some of y'all are staying good, staying healthy. Alright, goodbye. Wait a minute. Did you subscribe yet? Serious question, bro. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead. If you don't want to, though, you don't have to. I understand that when you boot up the app, you see a bunch of subscriptions everywhere. There's like 15 people that you subscribe to and 1,000 others. So you don't have to subscribe if you got so many. But yeah, goodbye.